Okay, let's have a look at this mister right here. It's actually kind of nice, but one thing up front, it's not cordless. It doesn't have batteries in it. It must be plugged in. We'll talk about that in a second. You do get the cord. So you want to use it. Basically, you take it out of the package. You open it up by giving this a slight counterclockwise. It opens it up. Now, it takes about 3 or 4 ounces. I do have some water over here, and I'm going to pour that in. Now, you can add essential oils. I won't, but you can if you want to put a little in there. But I will say this, and this is important, a little essential oil goes a long way. I did it one time with just 2 or 3 drops, and it overwhelmed the room. So I'd start with maybe just a drop, add some more if you want to. You put the top back on, and you give it a clockwise, little turn like that, and then you plug it in. Now I've got the other end to a USB-A 120 VAC plug. This is a USB-C, goes right there. And it beeps once, gives you the happy sound. Now how do you run it? Well, one button, click it one time, and it will start dispensing mist. Now if you put in all 4 ounces, it will last almost 8 hours. So it's going to last you all day. If you click it again, it goes into what I call 30-15 mode. And that is, it will give you vapor for 30 seconds, it will shut off for 15 seconds, and then do that again and repeat until it runs out. Now when it runs out, you don't have to worry, it'll shut itself off. Notice it is changing color too, it's kind of nice. Click it one more time, it'll double beep and turn itself off. Nice. I keep this at my desk in my studio, and I'll put in maybe a little drop of a different scent every now and then. Otherwise, just to kind of keep the air moist. And it's real nice, good price. I think I'm going to give it 5 stars.
Der Diffuser macht einen sehr wertigen Eindruck. Ist alles in Ordnung, lasst sich sauber einstellen. Einmal drücken ist mit Beleuchtung, ohne Beleuchtung kurz draufbleiben. Nochmal kann man also das Justieren. Ist ein sehr guter Ersatz für Kerzen, das spart man sich auf jeden Fall. Funktioniert alles gut, mit USB-Anschluss auch alles bestens. Alles aus Plastik. Und da innen drin Strom zu haben, naja. Ist halt made in China, aber ansonsten ist es sauber verarbeitet. Er funktioniert. Also von meiner Seite her kann man kaufen.
Nothing is coming on. Still nothing.